Hey sewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kimberly Collins, the Educated Natural, and I'm super excited to be with you today. Today, I get to say thank you to the people who have actually brought me out of the box, especially within the last few months. These three, that's right, three gentlemen, how about that, have caused me to think way beyond what I thought was my line of demarcation. They have really created so many things here on YouTube, and I've been watching them and taking notes and actually putting what I'm learning from them out here to you all. Who am I referring to? None other than Mr. Mike Tees over right here on YouTube. Mike Tees, look him up. If you haven't looked him up before, you are missing some golden gems, trust me. Also, Mr. Seek Paris, also known as 12 Gone Apparel. Check out his channel, 12 Gone Apparel, right here on YouTube and also on Facebook. Both of these gentlemen are also on Facebook. And last but certainly not least, Mr. Stan Banks over at ShirtSideHustle. If you are in the apparel industry and you don't know either one of these three, I don't know where you have been. You must have been under a rock somewhere, because these three gentlemen are dropping golden nuggets every day to help those of us that create t-shirts and apparel or whatever else you're creating out there. Trust me, if you're in the apparel industry, these are three gentlemen you need to keep your eyes on and your ears open to, because they are knowledgeable in what they do. And they help each and every one of us in one form or another. So I want to send a special thank you to these three gentlemen, because of a raffle that they recently had, I was able to win my very first Supacolor transfers. I am excited. And I get today, I'm going to take the opportunity to debut to many of you my new logo that I created, that I put in through the Supacolor website, and that's supacolor.com, and they have sent me my heat transfers, and I am super excited to share my very first experience with using these with you. You would like to see me press up some Supacolor as well as some HTV on a shirt? Then you are in the right place. Stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back. Ooh, that is really close. This is really hot. Welcome back, everyone. Like I told you earlier, we're going to be doing the Supacolor, my first try of Supacolor, and you guys are going to see my new logo. That's going to be on the front, and then on the back of the shirt, I'm going to have a matching Bible verse that goes with my logo. All right, you ready? Let's do this. So, taking it out of the bag. Go first, let me show it to you. Okay, this is the package that it came in. I'm going to go backwards for you guys. And on the back, Supacolor nicely put in instructions. So it says press temp 290 Fahrenheit to 320 Fahrenheit. Press time 10 to 15 seconds, and pressure 40 psi or firm. Okay? So I'm going to be using a white t-shirt today. So I'm going to test this out. All right? So now, because I really tailor to the beginner, I want to measure, because sometimes when you're just starting out, the only thing you may have is a ruler. So, you can take this and find the center. Do it like that. Kind of put a pinch at the top, not on the transfer itself. And on the bottom, that'll kind of help you find the center. Depending on the design, you may not be able to do that. Now, let me kind of bring y'all down just a little bit so you can see this. Bring it down. Good. Now, a little more. All right, get that right there. Okay. So, what I like to do is, you find the center of your shirt, kind of go off the neck tab, but sometimes the neck tab can be kind of off, like in this case. So what you want to do is just kind of try to eyeball it directly down the center. And you want to come down about 3 inches. Now, you can use your ruler here or you can use your hand. Some people use their hand. I like to use my ruler a little bit. I want to bring that down about 3 inches. Bring this down just a little bit more. The very top of my vine. About right there. Looks good. If I use my hand, it's down a little bit more. So I'm going to bring it up just a little bit. And maybe my hubby's car you all just heard. That's good. Okay. So now that we have that, we found our center. Slide it over just a little bit. We've got our shirt even. Now, if you're really anal about this, you can measure from arm seam to where right there, and then turn this around. Right there, just go a little bit. Okay, it's pretty close. All right. So now, according to the instructions of Supacolor, you just press this down. Now, some people would use a cover sheet over this, and typically I would do the same thing because I'm just so used to putting something over stuff. So to help with my nervousness on this, I'm gonna put this over the top. It's a piece of copy paper. And we are going to close this down for 15 seconds. Firm pressure, as you can see, that's pretty firm. So this is gonna count down. And it goes off, and we pull it up. Now this is a hot peel, and they say you gotta peel with confidence. So you get it in, and you hold it down, and it's not on there. No problem. You stop it right there. You press it again. For another 15 seconds. Pull it up. That goes out the way. Pick another corner. Press with confidence. Boom. Just like that, y'all. Now, I do see a little bit of imperfection when I pulled it up. No worries. This is a test. It's a little butcher paper. This is a confidence press, they call it. For 10 seconds, I'm like, pull that up. Boom. Outside of the issue I made, mistake that I made, looks pretty good, huh? All right, so now for the back. Gotta decide where I want this to be. A little bit. All right, now the back is not a transfer. This is heat transfer vinyl. This particular vinyl is from Siser. Yeah, both of these are from Siser. I got Siser Gold and I have Siser Purple. All right. Now with this, find the middle. Let's see which one y'all go out the furthest. I think it'll be Now, once again, you can bring out your ruler, or if you already know exactly where you want it to be, depends on your design, and measure that out a little bit. That's gonna go off. Where's my word? Oh, there it is. Lost my word. Okay, sure it's even. So you want that to be. Alright, I'm gonna stand back and we'll check it out, see if you like what that's at. Alright, same thing. Oh wait, you know what? Nope. We'll do it one at a time. Now this pressure is kind of a little too much. But that, alright. And we're just gonna leave it on the same temperature. Same amount of time. Almost. Take it up just a little bit, because I have another piece to put on here. Peel that off nice and easy. Put that foam right there. Put our other piece on here. Now this is a little bit long, the carrier sheet, because I don't want it to be. I'm going to cut that down. Because what you don't want is for this to be anywhere on the vinyl you just pressed, because it will cause a whole nother issue. It'll put a direct line right in there, and you don't want that. So take that extra few minutes and get that off. Okay. All right, I think that's where I want that right there. Alright, I'm using butcher paper versus my Teflon sheet because I don't want the lines from the Teflon sheet in there. So now we'll put this down for the full 15 seconds and we'll see what happens. Yes, that song gets stuck in my head. Alright, take that off. This, boom, that's that. Touch it, you feel it, you like it. All right, and then like that, we have our new logo for Sown On Purpose, my company. And then on the back, it says, "Do not be deceived. God is not mocked. For whatever one sows, that will he also reap." Goodness, I can't read. I promise I went to college, I did. And that's Galatians 6 and 7. So I wanted to do this quick video for you guys and to thank once again none other than Mr. Mike Thompson over at Mike T's, 12 Gone Apparel, Mr. Seek Paris, and of course, Mr. T-Shirt Side Hustle himself, Stan Banks. Thank you guys. I can't wait to continue to use these Supacolor transfers with my logo on them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And until the next time God allows us to meet, as I always say, be sown, be rooted, and above all else, be blessed.